Hello everybody, my name is Cryptic, or Sean if you will. Today's video is going to be a review video. I'm not very good at these, but I'm getting better. I just need to learn more tech savvy words, like technology. But anyway, the brilliant people at Fifine have sent us over the Ampligame D6. This is programmable stream controller for stream and studio, switchable RGB and compatible with OBS. So basically, you'll know of a company that has pretty much cornered this market of product, shall we say. But this is Fifine's version, and we're gonna unbox it, check it out, see how it works. If you use one of these things, what do you use it for? What like shortcut things do you put on it? Because I'm trying to think, and I think for me it's just going to be pure laziness, like a button to open YouTube, a button to open a music player and skip forward songs or backwards. Like, I think you can do some pretty cool stuff with it. But I guess that's what experimenting is for. There's 15 programmable macro keys. Visible LCD keyboard. Complex workflow integrated in one key. So you can do like a workflow thing. Well, doesn't that sound interesting? And I'm sorry, I'm really sweaty, but it's so hot in the UK right now. We're not ready for hot weather. We've got humidity or summer, so it feels hotter. I don't know. We're not very good at it. We moan whether it's hot or it's cold or it's raining. It's also York races, and we're taking selfies right outside my window. Anyway, let's get to unboxing. So here we have the little box it's in. I don't know why, I always get nervous when doing unboxing videos, even though it's just me here. Very weird. So we get a user guide, which we can have a look at maybe later, or we can just do the man thing and figure it out ourselves. So we have two little packages inside. Let's plump that back in there. Close that up because we're professionals and we like to stay nice and tidy. Right, which one shall we go for? Let's go for the little one first. This is just a wire. So it's a USB-C to... oh, it's a USB-C to USB-C/A with a little adapter on top. And here we have the D6 itself. Quick peel. Zoop. Quick and painless. Ooh, buttony. They feel quite cool. So what we got? We got USB-C connector, and that's a light button. Got some little rubberized feet. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. And this must be the lighting going around it. Yeah, let's do some other shots. I think my hands are a bit sweaty. Look at this. This is like, I don't know, Steven Spielberg level. Whoa. Coming in from another angle. Look at them lights. Pretty cool. So here we have, you'd go onto a link that's in the user manual, and you can download the software. And I've already created a couple of folders here. So this one's for my Adobe stuff, just basically like shortcuts. I got an OBS one, launch OBS, and that's just to start and stop my recordings. Which is good for like if I'm playing a game, don't have to go outside the window and click start recording. I can just tap that. And then, because I'm really lazy, I've even got a Steam one, an Epic one, an Xbox one, and a Roblox one. But to add them, it's like really simple. You just basically, you've got this thing on your right, and you've got like different websites, hotkeys, like folders, your OBS stuff. There's like quite a lot of different things, and like just like your programs. Like here, my music one, I've got a thing so I can switch between my headphones and my speakers, and then volume, skip, all that kind of stuff. But it's quite cool. I'm thinking I might set up some hotkeys later. But as you can see, YouTube button opens up YouTube. Don't judge my history or my suggested stuff. I have a kid who also shares my account with me. In fact, that's him there. Steam button just works fine. Again, don't judge my Steam library. That's it's just a mixture of stuff. But yeah, it's pretty cool. There's quite a lot of stuff you can do. You can like, even if you're not happy with the display, you can like do your own picture, like I've done with my son's there. Which that one just what's that one do? Oh, it just opens his folder with like his videos in. You can go to the plugin store. I think these are just all free. Like loads of different stuff. What can we click on? We should install something just to show you. Let's install this. So OK. Get a little prompt asking if it's OK to access blah blah blah. And look, there it is. Right there. And this one actually comes with quite a few different things. So let's get CPU temperature. Is that accurate? That seems quite hot, doesn't it? Not sure how accurate that is. What's that one? Okay. Wow, I really need to sort out my cooling. Ah, you can even customize these bits like that? That's quite cool. Ooh. Yeah, cyberpunk. So that actually shows up on your actual physical thing as well, and changes, which it's doing right now. But then we can just delete them like that, and then if you don't want your plugin anymore, you just go to the plugin store, find where it is, and unload it. And then it should be gone. Simple as. But look, you've got weather. What else? Shall we actually have a look at the main thing itself? Actually, wait. Can you? You can. You can stick a folder inside a folder. So then I assume you can stick another folder inside that. So the possibilities are endless, really, aren't they? But anywho, I've only scratched the surface with this. Let me know what you stick on it, because I'd love to know. I'm definitely going to add some shortcuts for like hotkeys for like photo editing. Thanks for watching. I'll leave a link below in the comments. And I'll catch you on the next video. Goodbye.